Welcome. Are you ready to elevate your hustle into a lasting legacy? Today we're diving into From Hustle to Legacy, the step-by-step guide to business credit for African Americans. In this journey, we will explore the essential strategies and tools needed to build a strong financial foundation. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, this guide will provide you with the insights and knowledge to navigate the world of business credit. Let's embark on this transformative path together and turn your dreams into reality. This comprehensive guide offers essential strategies tailored specifically for African American entrepreneurs who are looking to make a significant impact in their respective industries. You'll learn how to establish and build solid business credit, navigate financial hurdles, and effectively manage your finances. Additionally, we will cover how to secure the funding you need to grow your business, from traditional loans to alternative financing options. By the end of this guide, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to achieve lasting success. Discover actionable steps to turn your business dreams into reality, backed by practical advice designed to overcome systemic barriers. This guide is not just about building credit, it's about building your future, creating generational wealth, and empowering communities. Inside, we also explore the psychology of success, delving deep into the mindset and habits that drive high achievers. With proven marketing principles by Drew Eric Whitman, we uncover strategies that not only help you connect with your audience, but also build lasting relationships. These techniques are designed to amplify your business impact, ensuring sustainable growth and a competitive edge. By understanding the psychological triggers that influence consumer behavior, you can craft compelling messages that resonate and inspire action. Join us as we unlock the secrets to achieving unparalleled success in your entrepreneurial journey. Download your copy of From Hustle to Legacy now. Don't just hustle, build your legacy. The journey starts here.